Modi regime is using state terrorism against minorities, particularly Muslims. Hindutva regime in Indian state of Gujarat is demolishing residential houses of Muslims on a large scale. After Pahalgam incident, more than 8,000 residential houses of Muslims have been demolished. Businesses and houses of Muslims are being targeted across India. The international community has a duty to take notice of fascist policies of Hindutva regime.